Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we delve into the fascinating world of marketing, social media, and the influencers who shape it. Today we're going to talk about a story that has been making waves in the world of marketing and social media. It's the story of how a single social media influencer, Dylan Mulvaney, had a significant impact on one of the world's largest beverage companies, Bud Light. Before we dive into the heart of the matter, let's take a moment to understand who Dylan Mulvaney is. Dylan is a transgender influencer who has amassed millions of followers on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. She has been documenting her journey of transitioning from male to female, sharing her experiences and challenges with her followers. Dylan's journey has been a source of inspiration for many. She has been open about her struggles, her joys, and her triumphs. She has shared everything from her first hot girl summer to her experiences with gender dysphoria. Her honesty and openness have earned her a dedicated following, making her one of the most influential voices in the transgender community. In April 2023, Bud Light, a brand known for its macho image and popularity among beer-drinking men in Middle America, decided to partner with Dylan Mulvaney. This was a surprising move, to say the least. Bud Light, a brand that has traditionally catered to a predominantly male demographic, was now aligning itself with a transgender influencer. The partnership involved Dylan promoting Bud Light on her social media platforms. The company even sent her a can of Bud Light with her face on it to celebrate her first year of womanhood. This move was seen as a significant departure from Bud Light's traditional marketing strategy. It was a bold attempt to appeal to a younger, more diverse audience. However, the campaign backfired spectacularly. The backlash was swift and severe. Many of Bud Light's traditional customers saw the company's partnership with Dylan as a political statement and an example of the company going woke. They felt that the company was prioritizing political correctness over its core customer base. As a result, many of them stopped buying Bud Light altogether. The controversy was further fueled by the fact that the partnership was announced on April Fool's Day, leading some to believe it was a joke. But when Bud Light confirmed that the partnership was legitimate, the backlash only intensified. Critics accused Bud Light of virtue signaling and pandering to the woke crowd. Supporters of Dylan, on the other hand, praised Bud Light for its inclusivity and for taking a stand for transgender rights. The impact on Bud Light was devastating. The company's share price fell by about 15% in just a few months, and sales dropped by 26% in the second quarter of 2023. Bud Light, which had been the best-selling beer in the U.S. for years, was dethroned. The company lost billions in value, and its reputation took a significant hit. The controversy also had a ripple effect on the broader beer industry. Other beer brands were forced to reassess their marketing strategies and their relationships with influencers. Some brands decided to double down on their traditional marketing strategies, while others chose to follow Bud Light's lead and embrace more diverse and inclusive marketing campaigns. In the aftermath of the controversy, Bud Light went on the defensive. The company claimed that it had never intended to create controversy or make a political statement. It also suggested that the partnership with Dylan was the result of a lack of oversight and control over marketing decisions. However, these explanations did little to quell the backlash. The controversy highlighted the risks companies face when they try to navigate the complex and often fraught landscape of social media and influencer marketing. It also underscored the power of social media to amplify controversies and shape public opinion. The story of Dylan Mulvaney and Bud Light serves as a cautionary tale for other brands. It underscores the importance of understanding your target audience and being mindful of how your marketing decisions might be perceived. It also highlights the power of consumers to influence a company's fortunes, for better or worse. In the end, the Bud Light controversy is a reminder of the challenges and opportunities that come with operating in the digital age. It's a reminder that in the world of marketing and social media, one misstep can have far-reaching consequences, and it's a reminder that in an increasingly diverse and inclusive world, brands must be prepared to navigate complex social and cultural dynamics. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the world of marketing and social media, one misstep can have far-reaching consequences. Stay tuned for more insights and stories from the world of marketing and beer.